Christopher Dean. I work for Dean Transportation and Dean Trailways of Michigan. Originally, we discovered Zonar when we were looking for a solution to locate all of our vehicles. And Zonar was the most reputable company we came across, and we started with them approximately 10 years ago, and it's been a great partnership, and we've continued to enjoy working with Zonar and hope to work with them for many years to come. Zonar is very customer focused. I think between the customer focus as well as the very impressive product line, we were proud to partner with Zonar and look forward to many more years. I think their customer focus and the ability to help when there are issues are ultra important for us as we look to move forward with technology. And also they're very, very forward thinking, always developing new products, rolling out new features to current customers, and really are a forward thinking company in terms of technology and what the future looks like. The various Zonar technologies allow us to operate at a high level of efficiency, whether that's through operations, fleet maintenance, accounting. Really, Zonar impacts every aspect of the business that we have. We're more efficient, individuals are able to do their jobs more efficiently, and we look forward to kind of future improvements as we go forward to help people use real-time, live information to do their jobs more efficiently. But ultimately, all the technology we use it to help transport passengers safely to and from school. They deserve the safest form of transportation that we can offer, school buses and motor coaches, and we look forward to using the technology to help them obtain those safe rides. Zonar's a fantastic company to work with. They're very customer focused. They're always reaching out to see how we're doing, what they can help with, solve any challenges that we have. And when we do have challenges, they step right up. Zonar's a very customer focused organization that helps us move forward and is there when we need them and is always offering support at all times. Yeah, during the most recent rollout of the electronic logging mandate by the federal government, we actually adopted Zonar's 2020 platform. And during that rollout, it was quite challenging with our drivers to kind of get them on board with the mandate, get them up to speed with technology, and we were struggling internally to do so. Zonar stepped up to the plate and they helped us with training documents, suggestions of what other customers have done, and really helped us kind of move forward and push past the issues that we were having with some of the pushback of the drivers. So with that partnership, we were proud to be one of the first operators in Michigan to adopt Zonar's e-log solution, and it's been running smoothly ever since. So with Zonar really stepping up to the plate there, that helped us achieve a successful implementation. You know, it was really the documentation and letting them know why we were doing this and the efficiencies that we were going to gain. So with some internal documents as well as those provided by Zonar and training videos, really explaining why we were doing this and the advantages it was going to have were big steps for us. Now actually, because of Zonar's commitment to us, many drivers prefer not to go back to paper logs because the e-logging system is so easy to use. So when they do have to paper log, in that rare case, they get quite frustrated and they prefer to use the electronic log. But Zonar stepping up to the plate to help us really helped us get forward with that product. Well, I think it's clear that Zonar's customer focus is something that we share. We're proud to provide transportation service to kids throughout the state of Michigan, but we view those more as a partnership, not just a contract. So that partnership is something we share with Zonar. We're always looking to get feedback from Zonar and provide feedback, vice versa. And so that partnership is something we really value as we look to the future. I would recommend Zonar because it's very straightforward, clear about what they're doing, how they're going to proceed. There's really no questions that arise that, Zonar says they're going to do this and they do something different. It's a very straightforward process. The individuals at Zonar are very great to work with. They're honest and they enjoy what they do, and it's a clear-cut process, and it's nice to work with a company that shares the honesty and integrity that we as a company at Dean Transportation kind of put forth in our values and company mission, and that's clear that's true at Zonar as well. Zonar really has helped us gain a high level of efficiency in our operations, and what we found that using the various technologies through Zonar has really impacted all aspects of our business. Things that we couldn't even think of, integrating with fleet software, accounting, maintenance, dispatching. Everybody uses Zonar at some level to gain a high level of efficiency and ultimately help us transport kids safely to and from school.